So this is video 5 for week 11, and it covers the closing paragraph in your cover letter resume assignment. So for the cover letter, I encourage you to stop the video and watch this 1 minute and 31 second lynda.com video where this lady explains what kind of information to include in this final paragraph to make sure you leave the reader with a good impression so that they reach out and contact you. So what she says in here is you don't want to be too aggressive and say, when will I will phone you on such and such a date to arrange an interview. That's a little bit too aggressive, but you do want to ask for the interview. She encourages you to ask for the interview. The thing you'll notice from the assignment checklist that I'm going to be looking for is that you say, thank you for your time. Thank you for reading thank you for, just something with the words thank you, okay? So that's what you're going to get the grade for. I also expect it to be, again, a paragraph written with words, not bulleted points. So she's suggesting you say, once again, tie in that first opening paragraph that summarizes, I believe that maybe you went to their about section and found out what their values are, or you looked at their mission statement, right? So I believe that my experience creating and delivering programming for people of all ages, because maybe that's what the job posting is for, combined with my belief in the value and importance of lifelong learning, because maybe that's from their mission statement. This isn't a perfect closing paragraph because I got the belief in there twice, but you get the idea. I hope that I might have the privilege of a job interview, so you're asking for it. You don't have to put how you can be reached if it's obvious from the contact information on your cover letter. And then note, it says, thank you for taking the time. Okay. At the very end, I expect you to have that closing, a complimentary closing. So you're going to write sincerely or respectfully, okay, something like that. And then if you're actually going to print it, you'd put some spaces in and then you type your name. And some final hints. Remember that your cover letter, just like your resume, might be read by an applicant tracking system. So don't use things like contractions, which is isn't, I'm, okay, can't, doesn't. Don't use words like that. And also don't use abbreviations, and try to include the exact keywords that they use. So if they say able to coach, then you say able to coach. Use those same words so you're picked up. All right, and that concludes our video for the final paragraph in your cover letter.